Since ancient times, people have turned their attention to the signs and events that accompany the appearance of money in their lives, as well as their departure. And if certain recurring events led to a certain result, then this was called a sign. It turns out that in order for us to have money, it is necessary to follow some monetary signs that have been honed by many generations. Money goes into the hands of some people, while others live in poverty. There is a hypothesis that this is due to luck or bad luck. But in fact, the lucky ones believe in money signs and follow them, while others go with the flow. Just try. Buy a picture of a body of water for your home. It can be a large art canvas or a small drawing. This works very well to attract financial well-being to the house. If you borrow money, then take on the growing moon in large bills, give money on the waning moon in small bills. This way you will soon attract monetary luck. A small green quartz hidden in a wallet will save you from material problems, as advised by the healer Vanga. Postpone rash purchases, otherwise everything that you buy on the first day of the week may break, and money will be thrown away. The loss of financial stability threatens those who decide to wash their hair or cut their nails on Friday. Eliminate these events so that money matters go uphill. On Thursday, a few coins thrown into a bath of water will attract money to you. Bathe in it so that financial problems bypass you. On Wednesday, they buy the necessary utensils for everyday life. It will last a long time and will justify the money spent. On Tuesday, for material well-being, you can cut your nails. However, do not give them a pointed shape to avoid trouble. On Monday, beware of lending money, otherwise you will be asked to borrow money all week, and you may never see part of your savings again. Several Chinese coins with holes, tied with a red silk ribbon, work as the strongest generator of monetary energy. If a black cat crosses your path, do not rush to panic. If at this moment you spit 3 times over your right shoulder, then soon an unexpected influx of money awaits you. Our ancestors, in order to attract money to their home, most often put a broom. Moreover, it should be located with the handle down. Do not keep torn banknotes in your wallet, try to spend them immediately or exchange them at the bank for new ones. Otherwise material success will bypass you. Documents related to money, receipts, bills, checks, etc., must be kept in a closed red envelope or folder. Then you will not have problems with paying off loans or paying bills. Coins easily take on the evil eye and damage, as well as very serious curses, so never, under any circumstances, pick up coins on the street. You cannot put empty dishes on the table, so as not to frighten off wealth. Better put a vase with sweets, cookies or tangerines.
We remove everything superfluous from the wallet: checks, tickets, photos of our beloved dog. Money doesn't like neighbors. Never save money for a rainy day, because in this case, this day may come very soon. Start saving with positive thoughts, then luck and prosperity will come to you. Never complain to anyone about the lack of money. Complaints lead to even greater financial difficulties. If you repay someone a debt, then at the same time say in a whisper, "Let you have everything and I will multiply." Earrings, bracelets and beads with large stones attract wealth for women. For men, rings, pins, cufflinks, as well as watches made of silver and gold with semi-precious and precious stones will become a money magnet. Put the banknotes from the oldest to the youngest, without bending, with the front side facing you. Money does not like to be boasted and boasted about. Put a $1 bill folded into a triangle in your wallet, because it is a money magnet, because on the back of the banknote is depicted the magical sign all-seeing eye. Be sure to put a few coins under the rug at the front door. They will act as a magnet for the money energy that will flow into your home. Your wallet should never be empty. Leave at least one paper bill and a few coins in it. Remember that an empty wallet attracts poverty. Under no circumstances should you lend or give money after sunset. Folk wisdom says, a day from the yard, and with it money. To store money in the house, buy or make yourself beautiful, bright caskets, banknotes, or boxes. Money loves darkness, so do not put it in a prominent place, but put it away from people's eyes so that no one disturbs it. When paying for a purchase in a store, do not give money from hand to hand, but put it in a specially designed tray. Otherwise, the negative energy of another person may be transmitted to you with money, which can lead you to lack of money. In no case do not pick up a coin or banknote found on the road, because you can take on poverty and other people's problems. In general, try not to even step on the coins, especially if they are in the cemetery.